All right, Jambox Race here. It's 8:26 p.m. Eastern on the 12th of February. Breaking a 2015 Sport Kings here for Robert. Thank you, Rob. Appreciate it, sir. I will tag you in the video once it's complete. I did send you a PM on Facebook to let you know I was breaking it. Good luck. I hope you're familiar with the product. There's a lot of SPs in it as well. All right, already starting off with a green out of 15. Green out of 15 right off the bat. We got an Alex Morgan. Green out of 15. The scratches on the top loader. Big scratch on the top loader. Soccer player. Next up, we got James Worthy, which these are all out of 60. Sugar Shane Mosley. Amos Alonzo Stagg. Football player. Ooh, very nice. Christy Mathewson on the mini. Very nice triple relic, my friend. You got a Thurman Munson, Mantle, and Bearer. Very nice. I'm going to look that up and see what that is SP2 for you. This might be one of the out of 15s. Mantle, Munson, and Bearer. Very nice. Nice auto as well. We got a Jenny Finch. Jenny Finch, USA. Nice box, man. Let's take a look to see what that relic is for you. All right. It's one of my favorite products this year. I like this a lot. It's been delivering. All right, this one is called The Three Kings. Jenny Finch is to 71 and a 15. Oh, sorry, this one I think is to 25. Munson Bear, yep, this one is to 25. It's right on the checklist on cardboardconnection.com. So this one is a short print to 25. Mantle, Bearer, and Thurman Munson. Nice hit. They all have some stripes in there as well. Just some of them are off to the crown a little bit, but you can see them right there. Thank you, sir. I will get this mailed out to you right away and upload the tracking to the website. I'll also send you an email of the video too, because I'm not sure if you're as active on Facebook. So, thank you, sir.